What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to go over all the different modes and functions on your battery strip 24. Now underneath the display here, you'll see all the buttons to control our light. So we've got the menu button that will bring us to the different modes available. Then next to that we have the up and down buttons to cycle between the different settings of each mode. And then we have the enter button to enter these modes and save our changes. So let's go through all the different modes right now. So first we have the DMX address mode where we can set our light to a different DMX address. And next to that we have the DMX channel mode where we can set up how much control we have over our lights with a DMX controller. Next we have the master slave mode where we can set our light either to a master light or slave light, and we actually have two different slave modes with slave mode 1 and slave mode 2. Next we have the sound mode where we can adjust two different features. So we can adjust the sensitivity of the microphone that picks up the sound, and we can adjust the automated program that the light cycles between in the sound mode. And we can go from 0 to 99, with 0 being the least sensitive and 99 being the most sensitive. Then we have the SO menu to switch the programs where we have 16 different programs to choose from. So for example, we just set the microphone sensitivity to 99 and the program to 16. And now if I start to clap, you'll see that the light is starting to change along with the sound being picked up. Next, we have the auto mode where we can cycle between 16 different preset chases. So we can press enter in this mode and use the up and down buttons to cycle between the different chases, and then we can press enter to select it. And don't be alarmed if it shuts off as it's setting itself into the mode. Next, we have the color menu where we can cycle between 15 different preset colors. So we can use the up and down buttons to cycle between the different colors, and then we can press enter to select the color. And again, don't be alarmed if the light turns off as it's being set to that color. Next, we have the manual mode where we can set our light to a customized color. So when we press enter in this mode, we can cycle between the red, green, blue, and white LEDs. Then we can select one of these colors by pressing the enter button and use the up and down buttons to set how much of that color we want coming out of the light. So for example, I'm going to use the up and down buttons to cycle between the red, green, blue, and white LEDs. I'm going to press enter to select the red LEDs and use the up and down buttons to set how much red I want to come out of the light. Then I'm going to press enter to save it, and then I can move on to the green, blue, or white LEDs and set how much of those colors I want to come out as well. And just like that, we have a fully customized color. Next, we have the display mode where we can invert the display in case our light is upside down, which is super useful if you're hanging your light from a truss. And then we have the version menu to find out about the software built into the light. So hopefully this showed you guys all of the modes and functions available on the battery strip 24. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.